Yeah, we didn't hear any.
Right.
Whoa! Whoa!
We got several.
Oh, God.
Now the bucket's on fire. Alright, so we don't... Let's see what we got. We got burning embers all out in the woods. So we know that was enough powder. Well, I like that that's a small fireball, you know.
Hey, at first you don't succeed. Fry again.
Oh, gosh.
Well, it's just going to fall over and melt now. It's going to surrender now.
Fire again.
I'll be shocked if the police really don't come now.
Well,
Fry again.
That was the most ridiculous yes ever.
Fire. Fire.
I got both times. You got this one? Yeah.
Wow!
That was a nigger take.
To put all of those in 3 buckets, right? But we were so worried about the woods.
No.
We need to save that bucket.
Oh, you can take the buckets and like frame them. People are going to be driving by tomorrow, they're going to be like, that must have been what happened, the big flags.